only you made more money, your life would be easier. What's your number? We all have one where we've said, oh, if I could just make $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month, $100,000 a month, then I'd be able to travel more. I would have relief. I'd be out of this pit that I'm in. What's your number? And here's the thing, it doesn't matter what your number is. There is no magic target. And in fact, that number will keep changing. And so soon you're making your number, but guess what? You'll find yourself in the same conversation. Your bills will match the new revenue goal and you'll be in the same position no matter what that top number is. Why is that? And why does it feel like no matter how much you're making, you're never getting ahead? It goes back to the power of our mindset. Right now, just like you have an operating system that's controlling the functionality of your phone, of your computer, you have an operating system at work in you that's controlling your results around money. If you want to produce a new result, you've got to upgrade your operating system. The same thinking that has created your current result is not the same thinking that's going to get you out of financial ruin or get you to that financial freedom. We have to change our operating system or our thinking to be more in harmony with a new result. How do we do that? There's lots of different ways that I help clients really do that inner work so that they can produce the external results. But today I want to offer you 3 things that you can start doing now to shift your money mindset and move out of that thinking that when you're earning a certain amount, all your problems will go away. You can shift your money mindset, first of all, by practicing gratitude. It's really easy to pay attention to the money that's going out, the bills that you have to pay, the price of groceries, the price to put gas in your car. Most of us pay way more attention to what's going out, and we forget to give gratitude for what's coming in. When was the last time you were grateful for your paycheck? Or you were grateful for the lights that you have, or the ability to pick up your phone and call a loved one? Start shifting your attention to gratitude to what's coming in and the abundance that you do have in your life already. Spending some time every day doing visualization, affirmations, or meditation on an abundance lifestyle. Noticing what that money mindset is and spending some time using your imagination to visualize yourself doing the things that you would love. Is it traveling more? Is it sending your kids to the school that they would love to go to? Is it taking friends out for dinner or maybe writing a check to your favorite charity? Spend some time every day visualizing, meditating, affirming the life that you want to create and what you will do with your financial freedom. The third thing that's really important to shift your money mindset is notice the language that you're using around money. Notice the times where you're saying there's not enough, I can't afford it, how am I going to pay my bills? Your words matter. Shifting your language to one of more empowerment. Again, gratitude, but also, hey, I'm choosing not to spend my money on that instead of I can't afford it. Instead of saying there's not enough, start affirming there's more than enough. Noticing the words that you're using when you're describing your money and start speaking about your money in a more mindful and positive way. These are 3 ways that you can start to shift your money mindset, that internal operating system, so you can truly live from a place of financial freedom. To help you develop that abundance mindset quicker, I've created a free resource for you called the Abundance Tracker. This is a simple yet highly effective tool to help you start attracting the abundance that's coming into your life. And as you use this abundance tracker, watch how money starts to flow to you from both expected and unexpected ways. Click the link below to start using that abundance tracker today so you can shift your money mindset and live a more financially free life. I'm Stacey Berger. Here is to you living a life you love.